In this video, I'll teach you how to exactly beat procrastination using my Wi-Fi method. If you don't know me, hi, my name is Ishank and I make videos for you so that you can move abroad and succeed as an immigrant. So today's video is about procrastination. It's about handling fear. Now, psychological चीज अगर समझी जाए procrastination की, हम humans procrastinate क्यों करते हैं? It is out of fear. Now, ये fear काफ़ी तरह का हो सकता है. Let's say it could be fear of judgment, it could be fear of failure, it could be fear of opinions. So to solve this problem, I have devised a method called the Wi-Fi method, and I'll explain in a bit. It's in two parts. So Y is one part, Phi is one part. I'll explain with a few examples, but I want to mention the example of this video. See, ये वीडियो मेरे आइडिया में थी अबाउट 2-3 महीने की बनानी, पर मैं बहुत देर से इसको प्रोक्रासिनेट कर रहा था. So I was procrastinating making the video that was about beating procrastination. Talk about a hilarious coincidence. तो अगर आप आज ये वीडियो देख रहे हो, that means कि I have beaten my procrastination and exactly I have used my Wi-Fi method. So it is a testament that this works. So method का part number 1, WIY, this stands for what if. तो इसमें आपको क्या करना है? Whatever thing that you're procrastinating about, उसका end goal सोचो. Maybe you want to start a business, maybe you want to start a social media channel, or maybe you are procrastinating applying for jobs, maybe you're procrastinating calling your crush. Anything, it could be anything. जिसको भी आप procrastinate कर रहे हो, think about the end goal where you succeed. तो अगर मैं अपनी एग्जाम्पल लूँ, जब मैं ये वीडियो बनाने लगा था, मैं what if के बारे में सोच रहा था, तो मैंने सोचा कि I have not been growing too much on YouTube and I've not been consistent. And what if I get a similar result to what I have on Instagram? तो what if जब मैंने पूछा तो मेरे दिमाग में आंसर्स आने लगे. My brain told me that this way we could reach out to a lot more people. Because my goal is to impact as many lives as I can. मैंने दोबारा what if पूछा तो मेरे दिमाग में बोला कि if I continue doing this, I will get good at the long form content, which I'm not good at. I suck at YouTube, and maybe that's why I procrastinated. And number 3, what if का जवाब मेरे दिमाग में दिया कि if we succeed in this, then we get location freedom, which means we can do all of this operation from anywhere in the world. I can go to India and make similar videos and still help people, or I can go to USA and still make videos and help people. And similarly, ये exercise आपको करनी है. If you are putting something off, what if पूछ के देखो अपने दिमाग से, what if you succeed, उसका फ़ायदा क्या होगा? Maybe आप ज़्यादा पैसे बनाओगे, maybe you retire your parents early, maybe you are able to travel the world, maybe you make everyone in your family proud, maybe your future kids look up to you. बहुत कुछ होने को हो सकता है. Let your imagination run wild and think about it. What would you do if you knew you wouldn't fail? Please write this down. लिख के करना. अगर दिमाग में सोचोगे तो this would not work. ठीक है, मैं पहले डिस्क्लेमर दे रहा हूँ. Do not blame me later कि शांक ने कुछ कहा था वो चीज़ काम नहीं की. Please write this down. Y भी लिख के करना है and Phi भी लिख के करना है. ठीक है. Now comes the part number 2, Phi, which means fuck it. तो जब आप Y के आंसर्स, what if के आंसर्स अपने कॉपी पे लिख रहे होगे, you would realize कि दिमाग ना पीछे से फियर पैदा कर रहा है, नकली चीज़ें बोल रहा है, लिमिटिंग बिलीव्स में भी और आगे आ रहे हैं. इफ़ आई यूज़ माई एग्जाम्पल, मेरा दिमाग मेरे को बोलता था यार वीडियो अच्छी नहीं बनेगी, लोग जज करेंगे कि ईशान को ये नहीं आता, ईशान को वो नहीं आता, आई वुड लुक स्टूपिड एंड ये होगा वो होगा, और ऑल द रैंडम केसेस, इवन जो चीज़ें होनी भी नहीं होती वो भी दिमाग बोलता है कि ऐसे होंगी. एंड नाउ इफ़ यू थिंक अबाउट इट, माई प्रोसेस इज सो सिंपल. I come here, I switch on this light, I switch on a light over there in the bathroom, I switch on these lights in the plant, and I just sit here. I switch on the camera and I talk. It's not complicated, but still I make it complicated. And यही नुकसान है fear का. सिंपल चीज़ें भी बहुत बड़ी लगती हैं. So जब ये चीज़ें आपके दिमाग में आ रही होंगी कि यार ऐसा ना हो जाए या ऐसा ना हो जाए, what if we fail, what if somebody judges us, ये वो, simple things that you have to do is say fuck it. I learned this abbreviation from J.K. Molina, and he said कि the more often you say fuck it, the more money that you make in your life. जितनी बार fuck it बोलोगे, जितनी बार वो चीज़ें करोगे जिससे आपको डर लगता है, your life will actually improve. And if you follow this simple process, every time your brain tells you कि somebody will judge you, you say fuck it. Every time your brain says कि you will fail and people will laugh at you, you say fuck it. Every time your brain says कि तुम्हारा क्रश तुम्हें रिजेक्ट कर देगा या कर देगी, you say fuck it. Every time your brain says कि अगर हम वीडियो डालेंगे अन चलेगी नहीं, अन बेइज्जती होगी, you say fuck it and still do everything that you want to do. See, that's the only way that you succeed. The more you fuck around, the more you find out. Exactly put down जो limiting belief आपका दिमाग आपको कह रहा है. You'll evidently see कि ये चीज़ें तो true भी नहीं है, आधी चीज़ें तो आपका दिमाग जो आपको बोलेगा वो वैसे भी true नहीं होंगी. So when you write it down, you'll realize कि नहीं, this is just a lie. It's just an illusion. It has nothing to do with reality. And hence, when you write things down, all you have to do is just write fuck it in front of it. And ये दोनों exercises आपको करनी है. This will take you probably 20-30 minutes, not a very long time, but trust me, this is so effective. This is so effective. It actually works. So I hope you learned something new. Share this with a friend. And अगर ये video अच्छी लगी तो I'm pretty sure ये video भी बहुत अच्छी लगेगी आपको. I'll see you next time.